Hello everyone, this is class 6 maths exercise 24a question number 7 we are going to start. And in this question you have given diagram in your book and angles are also given. Actually I don't want to show you book, it's really dirty. Actually it's not mine, I have taken from someone. Okay, let me show. Here angle AOB is given. एंगल ए ओ बी इज इक्वल्स टू 50 डिग्री. बेटा जब भी आपने ऐसे एंगल रीड करके राइट करने हैं साथ साथ में यू हैव टू मार्क इट ऑन द डायग्राम ऑल्सो सो दैट इट इज़ ईजी टू फाइंड, right? It is easy to find the angles whichever you have to find. And okay, let's start writing angle A of B. A O B, this is 50 डिग्री. कभी भी ज्योमेट्री का सम है आपने एंगल जरूर मेंशन करने हैं डायग्राम में. And next angle AOE is given. AOE is 90 degree. This is AOE which is 90 degree. And next is angle COD. Angle COD is equals to 25 degree. COD is 25 degree. What to find? Number 1. We have to find its 5 parts. Number 1 is angle BOC. We have to find. Okay. Now see this line. On line कितने का एंगल होता है? 180 डिग्री का, right? So angle AOB is given. We have to find BOC. तो बाकी leave it, no need to see this, just see only this part. Total angle is of 180 degree, right? 180 में से 50 को निकाल दो, you will get this angle. Okay, write it first. Angle AOB plus angle BOC is equals to 180 degree. Angle AOB is of 50 degree. BOC 180 degree. Angle BOC write it as it is 180 degree. ये उधर जाके हो जाएगा minus 50 degree. And when you will get subtract, you will get 130 degree. So next part, we need to find angle EOD. So EOD means we will find this angle. For this angle beta, see again this line. On this line, see this full angle. Full angle is of 180, right? इसके अब पार्ट्स देखिए कौन कौन सा आता है. Angle of 90, angle of EOD and angle of COD. तीनों को ऐड करिए 180 के इक्वल रखिए. Write it angle AOE plus angle EOD plus angle COD is equals to 180 degree. ब्रैकेट में काइंडली लिख देना लीनियर पेयर, ठीक है? एंड सेम हेयर linear pair. Now start putting the values. Angle AOE is of 90 degree. EOD we have to find. COD is of 25 degree is equals to 180 degree. It's your choice. आप दोनों को सीधा उठा के उधर लेके जाना चाहते हो साइन चेंज करके, और you want to add them here and then you want to take that value other side. Angle EOD is will keep it here because we have to find. मैं इसको इधर ही ऐड कर रही हूँ. +5 9 + 2 11 equal to 180 degree. Angle EOD is equals to 180 degree. Take it to the another side and change its sign. Okay. When you will subtract it, you will get 65. So next third part, we have to find the obtuse angle BOD. So to find BOD, we know this thing beta, obtuse angle is greater than 90 but less than 180 degree होता है. So let's see, for to find BOD, अब यहाँ पे ये फंडा नहीं लगाना. देखो BOC भी ऑलरेडी वी हैव फाउंड इट इन पार्ट 1. BOC जब हमने फाइंड करा था इट बिकम्स 130 डिग्री, ये हम फाइंड कर चुके हैं. तो BOD इतना एंगल है, so we will add both the angles, you will get BOD total. Getting? So angle BOD, or you can write obtuse angle BOC plus angle COD. BOC is 130 degree, COD is 25 degree. 5, 3 plus 2, 5, 155 degree. So next part, we have to find reflex angle. Reflex angle बेटा ये हम कैसे निकालते हैं? Reflex angle is greater than 180 degree but less than 360. To find the reflex angle, we will write reflex angle BOD is equals to, हम इसको 360 में से subtract करेंगे. We will subtract the angle, same angle from 360. 360 minus angle BOD. 360 as it is BOD. Now we need to check the value BOD. BOD we have found it's 155 degree. Right? 502. So reflex angle BOD is reflex angle 205. बेटा इट्स रिफ्लेक्स, काइंडली टेक केयर ऑफ दिस थिंग. जब भी आपने रिफ्लेक्स एंगल फाइंड करना है यू हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट इट फ्रॉम 360. ये चीज़ ध्यान में ही रखनी है, कोई भी रिफ्लेक्स एंगल है. ओके नेक्स्ट पार्ट, रिफ्लेक्स एंगल COE. अगेन इट्स रिफ्लेक्स एंगल ना, सो वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट इट फ्रॉम 360 डिग्री. 360 माइनस एंगल COE. सो COE, डू वी हैव दिस वैल्यू? COE is part of two angles, COD. So 360 minus angle COD. COE is part of two angles ना, मतलब इसको दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करा हुआ है, प्लस COD प्लस EOD, or you can write DOE, whatever you can write. Angle EOD. Right? So now put the values. COD is 25 degree. EOD, this value we have also found. EOD हमने पहले find करा है, that is 65 degree. So put it here. Add the values. 5 5s are 10. 6 plus 2 8 9. So subtract it. It's degree beta, angle is always written in degree na. Subtract it and you will get 270 degrees. So reflex angle COE is 270 degree. Thank you.